Ło, jak szybko! Patrz jak wysoko leci. Wow!
Okay, quick show of hands. Who's seen the film Battle of Britain? Right. Well, this aircraft is in the colours of Yellow 10, and they were the colours it wore during the making of the film. So if you'll stop the DVD, you might find it. An interesting footnote to history. It was the efficiency of this design. Like the Spitfire, they were designed as fighters, relatively short-range, defensive fighters. Trouble is, of course, in their campaign across Europe, the Luftwaffe didn't need a short-range fighter, they didn't need a long-range one. And it was after the accidental bombing of London by two Dornier 17s of KG-44 who jettisoned their loads, thinking they were over the country, and they weren't. Bomber Command replied by sending a force of Wellingtons against Berlin, which drove Hitler absolutely insane. Up until then, the Luftwaffe had been fighting the Royal Air Force by attacking their airfields and attacking